Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little opening unboxing. This is from Toni. She's like my crafty twin, but she's in Canada. Her name's Toni as well. She's got 3 kids. I got 3 kids. We both like crafting. And she has a little online store where she posted, weekly deals, kind of like Peachy Cheap, but the Canadian version. Anyway, she's moving on to new ventures soon, so she'll be closing up her shop in October. So now she has these mystery bundle deals, you guys. And I shared it on my Instagram, like great deal because it was all new stuff and it was free shipping to the USA. And it was $49 for this box of stuff, and then I got a package and I was like, I was like, shoot, did I order stuff? You know me, I'm a shopaholic, so I probably did and forgot that I ordered it. And then I saw it was from her and I was like, what is going on? So anyway, so sweet. So she sent me like the baby bundle, you guys, baby girl, because I'm having a girl, another girl. And I was just in shock. Like, oh my gosh, Toni, you did not have to do this. A little gift for the baby. Like I could totally make a little mini album. Look at this. This is so cute. And look at the little star. Look, guys, it's like a whole everything to make like a baby album. Thank you so much, Toni. Like I said, I was kind of in shock, like, wait, did I order this? And then I realized it was a gift. It's a RAK. I was like, oh my gosh, like I'm speechless. So I'm just going to jump right on into it and show you guys what it is. So I know with like her other kits, and you can see what styles of kits she has. If you go to her YouTube, which I'll link down below, and she kind of gives you like sneak peeks of what's in some of the bundles. And then you can also look at like what people have been hauling as well. I know Lori did. I'll link hers down below. But I'm going to jump into it. So this is from Echo Park. So these are the frames and the tag. Welcome to the world, little one. And this is what you get. Oh my gosh, look at that little swan. It says, hello, beautiful. It has the cute little bunnies and kitties. Congrats on the baby. So perfect. So cute. And then this is like Jolie's Boutique. They're like rolled little, almost like a burlap style flower with little gemmy center stones. Oh, they got like a little sticker part on it so you could just stick it straight to your project. Super cool. And look how cute these are. These are little Jolie's Boutique embellishments. These have like foam, burlap, and then lace. And then look at their little antennas, you guys. How cute are those? So her kits are just a bunch of like different brands, name brand like designers and stuff, like Jolie's, Pink Paisley. So these are little Paige Evans, little like mirrored stickers, you guys. They're like thick like acrylic. And then they just say little sentiments that go perfect with like a baby theme. Smile, fun. How cute are those? Never seen these. Super fun. And then look at this fun shred. I totally saved this. And then we have some more little Jolie's Boutique. These are like little embellishments, like silk embellishments. It's got the little flowers on the top. Super cute. And then these, oh, what are these? Oh, so these are like solid color 60 cards project life. Oh, I like that they're like solid. You could just cut, you can even die cut on these. Oh, and they're super like sturdy. They're not 110 pound, but they're sturdy. You could easily die cut or just use these for layering. And you could stick a little photo right on there, like a photo mat. And then this. Let me move this out of the way. This is Sweet Baby Girl. This is the Lori Whitlock, like those paper packs, like everything you need to make a little kit. Which I already have the album that was in it. Look at Sweet Baby Girl. Look how cute. Little bunnies. And this matches the Echo Park ephemera. And these are double-sided. Oh my gosh, look at the little hippos. So cute. Little striped border strip. Oh my gosh, look at the little stork, you guys. Little t-shirt onesies. Look at the little, what are those called? Strollers. Oh, how cute. It has month 1 through 12 for their, like, little 1 month photos that people do. Gosh, look at the little lambs and the bottles. Those are the back sides. And then we have this one, little cut aparts. Bringing you home. How cute. Sweet Baby Girl. Cut aparts. Oh, look at these ones. Look at that. Stuff's falling over, guys. So cute. And then the little back is like button style. And then it came with a sticker sheet. Look at the little stork. Stork's my favorite. Little lamb. Look at these little border strips. So good. Thank you so much, Toni. Again, like I was like in shock, like, wait, I wasn't expecting anything, but did I order it? But no, I didn't. It was just Toni being the sweet Toni that she is. Thank you, girly. And like I said, if you guys are still interested in some different like mystery bundles and stuff, I'll link her website, and then I'll also link her YouTube so you can go check out little sneak peeks and stuff. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.